Hello, greetings mga ka-Sky Watchers and mga ka-Spacers natin out there from Luzon, Visayas and Mindanao. And sa lahat po ng ating mga ka-Sky Watchers and mga ka-Spacers out there, nakatutok po sa ating vlog worldwide and netwide. Magandang araw po. This is your ka-Sky Watcher and ka-Spacer, Sir Jun Cahigal. And welcome to another of our ka-Spacers vlog. So today is September 9, 2023, early morning of September 9. Siguro po mga 4 na po ng madaling araw. And this will be the first light of this pet project of mine. So ang ginawa ko po kasi, meron po akong dalawang Kenko 60mm refracting telescopes. Dalawa po yan. So ang ginawa ko, pinag-combine ko lang po yung mga telescope rings niya in one altazimuth mount. Pinasadya ko po yan. And hopefully I can come up with a binocular telescope. Yan, no? Okay, so dalawa po siyang telescopes, one for each eye. Ayan po, no? So you have 2 eyepieces para isang mata, isang telescope. Hopefully we can achieve stereoscopic vision, yung medyo may in-depth yung image. So ang ating target is the waning crescent moon. Ayan po, no? So the moon this early morning is about 31 to 32% illuminated yung buwan. Alright, so ito po, no, this will be the first light of this special telescope. Yan, no, dalawang telescopes yan, dalawang Kenko 60mm achromat refractor. Hopefully we can achieve stereoscopic or in-depth vision of our target. Our target is the waning crescent moon. The moon this morning is about 31 to 32% illuminated. So bago po tayo magpatuloy, let's not forget to follow us on our Facebook page, the Skywatcher Society of Las Piñas. Don't forget to follow us also on our Facebook page, the Bedan Society of Young Astronomers. And also please like and share this video para makarating pa sa maraming tao, lalo na po yung mga estudyante natin out there, so that they would be engaged in the sciences. Okay, let's look through the eyepiece of this telescope and let's view the moon. Alright, mga ka-Sky Watchers and mga ka-Spacers natin out there. So what you are viewing on screen is our waning crescent moon. So the moon tonight or today is about 31 to 32% illuminated. Again, mga ka-Sky Watchers and mga ka-Spacers, today is September 9, 2023. Ayan, no, crescent po because as you can see, the terminator is curved and the moon looks like a boat or para siyang kinagat na cookie. Ayan, or para siyang letter C, no? And again, the moon is 31 to 32% illuminated. Waning na po to. So today is early morning of September 9, 2023. So ang gamit ko po dito yung ginawa ko pong binocular telescope. Okay, so stereoscopic vision naman, kaya lang ito sa ating pagbibidyo po ngayon, I am using just one Kenko 60mm refracting telescope para makabit ko po yung camera. So nonetheless, I was able to achieve stereoscopic vision. Ayan, no? Okay, so in a few minutes we will magnify the image of our waning crescent moon. Alright, so napakaswerte po natin ngayon, no? We have clear skies this early morning, and buti na lang walang bagyo, walang mga LPA dito sa Pilipinas. Hopefully this will continue na kahit hanggang katapusan. Okay, so as you could see, even if our image is not magnified, talagang kitang-kita po yung Copernicus crater. May malaking crater na yan near the Terminator. The Terminator is that imaginary line separating the lighted part from the unlit part of the moon. Yan, so kitang-kita po yung Copernicus crater. Okay, yung malinaw itong Kenko 60mm Achromat Refracting Telescope. Pero in my setup po, dalawa po ito because I'm trying to achieve stereoscopic vision. Alright, so bago tayo mag-magnify ng image ng ating waning crescent moon, again, shout out po sa lahat ng mga sky watchers and mga ka-spacers natin po na nakatutok sa ating ka-spacers vlog. And again po, don't forget to like and share this video para po makarating sa maraming tao, lalong-lalo na po yung mga estudyante natin out there, so that they would be engaged in the sciences, lalo na po yung astronomy. Don't forget po to follow us also on our Facebook page, the Skywatcher Society of Las Piñas, and don't forget to follow us on our Facebook page, the Bedan Society of Young Astronomers. And like and share po natin tong video. Alright, shout out sa mga estudyante ko, sana nakatutok kayo sa aking vlog. Okay, so I guess we can now magnify the image of our waning crescent moon. Okay po, let's go! Oh my God, fantastic. You could see there, mga ka-sky watchers, the Copernicus crater, no? Ayan, no? Ayan, malaki yung crater na yan. That crater is 93 kilometers across and about 3 kilometers deep. And again, those dark patches that you see on our screen are lunar plains. Mga patag po yan ng buwan. We call them mares or Marias. The word Maria is a Latin word which means dagat, seas. While the bright areas are lunar highlands and impact craters. Ayun, may certain degree of chromatic aberration kasi yung edge ng image natin bluish, no? Kaya lang unusual kasi achromat ito, dapat na-minimize din yung chromatic aberration. Pero nonetheless, sharp po yung image natin. What do you think? So please comment down below kung ano po ang inyong masasabi sa ating lunar imaging this early morning of September 9, 2023. So mga past 4 na ho. Yan, no? So kitang-kita po yung Copernicus crater. Alright, so please comment down below mga ka-sky watchers and mga ka-spacers kung ano po ang inyong masasabi sa ating lunar imaging. Yan, ang ganda talaga ng buwan. Okay, so ayan po yung ating buwan this early morning of September 9, 2023. Ayan po, no? So sana kayo ay namamangha. I hope you're fascinated about our moon. So this is a waning crescent, waning crescent moon. Okay, so before we return the moon to its original size, ipa-plug ko na rin po yung aming celebration of Space Week, no, this coming October, first week of October, because the first week of October, October 4 to 10, is designated as Space Week. And the Vedan Society of Young Astronomers had prepared several activities in our celebration of Space Week. So, antabayanan nyo po yan. We will be posting promotional PubMats para dun sa Space Week celebration ng BSYA. So, we will be having, itutuloy po namin yung Space Quiz. Ayan, sa mga kung sino po yung mga nakikinig po ng mga estudyante. May Space Quiz po tayo and may poster making contest. Okay, and also for the Skywatcher Society of Las Piñas, meron kaming lined up na mga free public telescope viewings itong September, itong katapusan. So just check our Facebook page for our promotional PubMat. Dun po sa aming mga free public telescope viewings by the Skywatcher Society of Las Piñas. Okay, so ayan po, no, so sana na gusto niyo po itong ating lunar imaging. Yan, so ibalik na natin po yung buwan to its original size. Here we go. Alright, so ayan po, no, napakalinaw ng ating image na binibigay nitong Kenko 60mm Achromat Refracting Telescope. Do ang setup po natin ay dalawang Kenko po ito. I'm trying to achieve stereoscopic vision. So ito po ay binocular telescope. Pero itong image po natin, isang telescope po lang yung ginagamit ko para makabit ko lang po yung adapter sa ating camera. Alright, so ayan po, no, sana nagustuhan po ninyo. And again po, paki-like and share na lang po itong ating vlog. And i-follow nyo na lang po kami sa aming mga social media accounts. Ayan po, nakitang-kita po yung Copernicus crater. Ayan, alright. Okay, so this is again the waning crescent moon. Our moon this early morning is about 31 to 32% illuminated. Ayan, next week, new moon na. So, pabalik ulit tayo sa ating lunar cycle. So, meron po kaming mga ganap sa katapusan ng September. Pag-waxing na po yung buwan. So, by the Sky Watcher Society of Las Piñas. Okay, so siguro tanggalin na natin itong camera sa telescope. Alright, so I guess that's it for our moon vlog ngayong araw na ito, September 9, 2023. And ito po yung ginamit natin, no? Actually, dalawang Kenko 60mm achromat refracting telescope na ginawa kong binocular telescope. Ayan po, no? Alright, yan. So, na-achieve ko naman po yung stereoscopic vision niya. Yan. Pero siguro, I will have to improve the eyepiece para mas lalong maganda. Dapat mas wider po yung field of view ng eyepiece. Yan. Kasi naka 15mm po tayo. Dapat much lower. Mas higher pala yung focal length para hindi masyadong magnified at ma-achieve po natin yung wider field of view. Alright, so ayan po, no, itong ating pet project, itong binocular telescope. Ayan. Okay, so isn't she a beauty? Sana magamit ko to sa aming mga free public telescope viewings. Okay, so hanggang dito na lang po tayo. So maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood sa ating vlog. And again, paki-follow na lang po kami sa aming mga social media accounts. Yung Skywatcher Society of Las Piñas and the Bedan Society of Young Astronomers. Okay, this is your Skywatcher and Kaspacer, Sir Jun Cahigal saying live long and prosper. And don't forget to keep your space and always keep looking up. Bye-bye po. See you in our next vlog.